In this video, I will demonstrate cross-site scripting. Cross-site scripting is a type of injection in which a malicious script is injected into a web page and executed on the victim's browser. There are two common types. Reflected is simply returned from the web server. A stored attack is saved in a server like a database and displayed at a later time. At the time of this video creation, cross-site scripting is number 3 on the OWASP top 10 list. To demonstrate this, I have a poorly written website that allows the user to select a theme that is just changing the color from blue to red to green. The web page does this by simply substituting the appropriate theme, which is a query parameter, into the web page. And this is an example of reflected cross-site scripting. Now, if I substitute a JavaScript statement into the theme query parameter, that script will be injected into the page. The page will now be broken, but the JavaScript statement is executed. This is a harmless example, but to show an evil attack, I'll use a program called BEEF, which stands for Browser Exploitation Framework. When started, BEEF will show a URL which can be used in a script tag and a URL to display the control panel. Here's the control panel with no hooked browsers. The evil JavaScript can be inserted into the URL using the theme request parameter. It can be hidden by giving text, which will encourage the victim to click the link. Once the victim has clicked the link, the revoked JavaScript is executed and the browser is now hooked by the attacker. Switching back over to the BEEF control panel, we can see that the browser is listed under online browsers. The victim's browser is now an unwilling minion of the attacker. For now, we'll just do something simple like opening up an alert dialog onto the victim's browser. XSS is a common first step to other destructive attacks. Continue on with later videos in this sequence for an introduction to some of these vulnerabilities. And that's the introduction to cross-site scripting.